Every aluminum can begins with bauxite, hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface. Modern excavation systems move thousands of tons of ore every day. The raw material begins its journey through an enormous industrial process. Crushing prepares the ore for efficient refining. Automated conveyors transport millions of kilograms of ore every day.
Strategic stockpiles ensure uninterrupted production throughout the year.
Automated reclaimers deliver a continuous supply of ore to the refinery. The refining process begins as the ore enters the plant. Grinding prepares the ore for efficient chemical extraction. Heat and pressure separate valuable alumina from the ore. Impurities are removed to improve aluminum quality. Filtration produces an exceptionally pure solution.
Pure alumina crystals gradually begin to appear.
Drying creates the refined material needed for aluminum production. The refined alumina is stored before its final journey.
The refined material now travels to the aluminum smelter.
The next stage transforms refined alumina into pure aluminum. Here, electricity begins transforming refined alumina into pure aluminum. The refined alumina now enters the most energy-intensive stage of production. Powerful electrical current separates pure aluminum from oxygen. Inside every reduction cell, liquid aluminum slowly begins to form. The molten aluminum is transferred while maintaining its extreme temperature. Every transfer is carefully controlled to preserve the metal's quality. Before shaping begins, every batch is carefully refined for maximum consistency. Liquid aluminum begins solidifying into massive industrial slabs. Controlled cooling preserves the aluminum's strength and quality. Every slab is inspected before the rolling process begins.
Uniform heating prepares the metal for precise shaping.
Powerful rolling mills transform thick slabs into long aluminum sheets.
Careful cooling prepares the aluminum for final thickness control. Precision rolling creates aluminum thin enough for billions of cans. Kilometers of aluminum are transformed into a single production coil. Advanced inspection guarantees flawless material quality. Protective packaging keeps every coil in perfect condition. Each coil is prepared for its final transformation into beverage cans. The aluminum is finally ready to become billions of precision-made beverage cans. The manufacturing journey begins as a massive aluminum coil enters the production line. The continuous sheet is carefully unwound for precision forming. Perfect alignment is essential for flawless can production. Lubrication reduces friction during high-speed forming.
Thousands of aluminum cups are formed every minute.
Every cup moves automatically to the next forming stage. Unused aluminum is immediately recycled back into production. Every cup is checked before becoming a can body. The next machine transforms a simple cup into a can. Drawing and ironing create the thin walls of every can. Perfectly formed can bodies continue without stopping. Precision trimming ensures every can matches exact specifications. Every piece of aluminum is recovered for reuse. Cleaning removes every trace of lubricant and residue. Multiple washing stages prepare the cans for coating. Careful drying creates the perfect surface for the next process. Only perfect can bodies continue through production. The cans are now ready for pre-coatings and vibrant graphics. A microscopic protective coating prevents the beverage from contacting bare aluminum. Controlled heat permanently bonds the protective coating. Cooling prepares every can for high-speed decoration. The exterior coating creates the perfect surface for vibrant graphics. Advanced printing systems decorate thousands of cans every minute.
A clear protective layer seals every printed design.
Heat locks the graphics into a durable finish.
Automated inspection ensures every design meets strict quality standards.
The top of every can is reshaped through multiple precision stages. Progressive forming creates the familiar beverage can shape. The finished rim prepares every can for airtight sealing. Powerful air systems leave every can perfectly clean. Precision measurements confirm every can meets exact specifications. Air conveyors transport empty cans with remarkable efficiency. Continuous buffering keeps production flowing without interruption. Now complete, the cans move toward automated packaging and worldwide distribution. Every can is counted and aligned before packaging begins. High-speed robotics prepare thousands of cans every minute. Protective wrapping secures every package for transport. Heat forms a tight, durable protective package. Cooling prepares every bundle for automated stacking. Robotic systems stack every pallet with remarkable accuracy. Stretch wrapping secures the entire shipment. Every pallet receives complete digital traceability. Automation continues long after production ends. Every shipment remains ready for immediate dispatch. Digital logistics coordinate every delivery worldwide. The finished products begin their final journey. Every pallet is handled with precision and care. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory. From raw ore to finished packaging, the journey is complete. Billions of aluminum cans begin their journey from facilities like this. And that's how billions of aluminum cans are manufactured every year.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.